Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
A royal fit.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
Let's look in the box. Look, a measuring tape.
And toy shears. Let's be tailors.
Yeah, and make clothes fit for a king.
The king of Buglandia.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and ran straight to the royal palace of Buglandia.
Your Highness, the royal tailors.
Oh, hi.
Tomorrow, I shall be handing the throne to my son, Prince Bugster. And so, royal tailors, I command that you sew a fabulous suit for your future king.
Mom, can I just wear a t-shirt?
Everything you need is here. Pearl buttons, real pearls, obviously, gold thread, 24 karat, and most precious of all, this silk took 1,000 silkworms 5 years to weave. But be careful, there's only just enough.
Then let's get started.
We'll need to measure your Highness. Your Highness?
That tickles.
How tall?
9.
9, check. Waist?
7.
7, check. How many legs?
1, 2, 3.
2.
Gesundheit.
Where was I? Oh, that's right. 3, 4, 5. 5 legs.
5 legs? Are you sure?
Yeah, I counted.
Okay, 5, check. That's everything, Your Highness.
Good. We shall return this evening.
Great. Let's get to work.
Oh, it's magnificent. Try it on, Bun Bun. How are the lapels?
Okay.
And the shoulders?
On my shoulders.
And the legs? Bun Bun, how are the legs?
I can't tell. I can't find the 6th one.
The 6th?
You only made 5 pant legs? Don't you know how to count? What are we supposed to do with this? Guard, take them to the royal dungeon. Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What happened?
The Queen hated the suit we made for the princess coronation.
How come? Didn't it fit?
Well, it fit most of him.
You see, we only made 5 legs instead of 6.
How did that happen?
I don't know. We measured everything.
And how many times did you measure everything?
Once.
Then how did you know if your measurements were right?
Oh, I understand. When you measure everything more than once, you can check if you measured everything right the first time. Thanks, Dad.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time we'll make sure to check everything before we start making anything. Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their tailoring adventure all over again. But this time, they double-checked their measurements to make sure they were right.
5 legs.
Are you sure?
Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, Kate, it's 6.
6. Check.
And now, with all the measurements checked and checked again, Kit and Kate cut the royal cloth and made a suit truly fit for a king.
Hip, hip, hooray!
We did it! We did it! We did it! Hooray!
This is impossible.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
Let's look in the box.
Look, Kit, riding helmets.
We can be jockeys
Who ride robo-ponies.
at Pony Park. Yippee! Go, kitty kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and galloped off for their first big ride at Pony Park.
Oh, I want to do that too, Kit. Let's get our ponies and join them.
Tally-ho! Come on, Kate, hop on! Giddy up!
Go, ponies, let's go!
Why aren't you going?
What do we do, Kit?
Oh, so that's how you wake them up. Here goes nothing.
Yeah, that was nothing, all right. Let me try.
Well, I'll get it this time.
Yeah, you got it all right. I'll show you. Ugh.
Oh, I give up.
Yeah, this is impossible.
This stinks. These horns must be broken.
No way, that's impossible. Those horns didn't work. We tried.
Great. Now there are no more robo-ponies left to ride.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
Hello, kittens. Why aren't you out riding with the others?
To wake up the robo-ponies, you have to blow the horn. But we couldn't make them work.
Galloping gears. Why not?
Because it's impossible. Nobody can toot those horns.
Nobody?
Well, I guess it is possible. But it's impossible for us.
Rumbling robots. Were you able to make a sound at all?
Yeah, but it was just terrible.
Pretty great, I'd say. The first time I tried, I couldn't even make a sound. It must have taken more than 50 times before I could blow that horn.
Really?
Oh, I get it. Some things are hard at first, but if you keep on trying, you can learn how to do it.
Right. Practice makes perfect.
Well, I don't like to toot my own horn, but that sounds right to me.
Thanks, Dad.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kit. Only this time, we'll keep blowing those horns until we get it right. Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their Pony Park adventure all over again. But this time, when they tried to wake up their ponies,
Here goes nothing.
Yeah, that was nothing, all right. Let me try.
Don't worry, Kate. We'll get it. We just have to keep trying.
You're right, Kit. Let's blow.
We're getting better.
It's working, Kit. Keep trying.
We did it!
and by not giving up, Kit and Kate learned that what seems impossible can become easy if you just stick to it.
Charge!